How to fix Chrome not opening issue on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix your Google Chrome browser not opening issue on Windows 10. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Check on your computer's date and time. 3. Rename Chrome icon at /program files, x86, /Google /Chrome /application. And send and rename the newly created shortcut to your desktop. Restart PC, double-click on that icon later. 4. Make the best of the compatibility troubleshooter. And, turn on, disable full screen optimization. Register this program for restart if the troubleshooter did not work for you. 5. Disable automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode in Windows 10 settings. 6. Run these commands as admin. Netshare int IP reset /resetlog.txt netshare winsock reset IP protocol configuration /flushns restart your computer. 7. Launch the network reset option in Windows 10 settings. 8. Back up your Chrome profile, and remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Chrome. 9. Try other Google Chrome alternatives on the web.